What's next?
I need something robust, precise.
Robust. Precise.
This.
AR-15. 11.5 inch. Compensated with an iron-bonded bolt carrier. Trigicon Acupoint with 1/6 magnification.
Could you recommend anything for the end of the night? Something big, bold.
May I suggest the Benelli M4? Custom bolt carrier release and charging handle. Textured grips should your hands get wet.
Dessert.
Dessert. The finest cutlery, all freshly stoned. Mr. Wick, do enjoy your